Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2017 Skoda Yeti SEL Outdoor. It's a really lovely vehicle, this one. It's finished in the Petrol Blue metallic paintwork. Really popular colour, it's stunning. And it's an excellent specification, this one. Having the full black leather interior. Front and rear parking sensors were fitted from factory. As was the DAB radio, the rough road package. It's got the winter pack with the heated front seats and heated front screen as well with the elements in it, which is really great. And much more. It's a great vehicle, really practical as well. You've got the roof rails, etc. I'll take you inside the car now. It's got a great history too, which is lovely to know. As you can see, low mileage, covering just 34,218 miles. Would normally be expecting that from a 3 or 4 year old car. So this is a 2017. It's coming up to 7 years old, this car, so I'd normally be expecting about 50 to 80,000 miles, but 34 is absolutely excellent. No lights on the dash. It will go through the Honda workshop for a full check over before you do take it though. You've got the front and rear parking sensors. Like I say, that was one of the options from the factory. You'd also have built-in navigation. It's all based on the Volkswagen system, which is very good. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats as well with the 3 levels of heating. That's your parking sensor button there. Here's the 6-speed manual. It's the 1.2 litre TSI engine, turbocharged petrol, really nice smooth engine. You've got the leather wrapped handbrake there, cup holders, central locking. You've got an adjustable leather armrest. As you can see, the seats are all full black leather, which is lovely. Same in the rear, 2 sets of ISOFIX points. The seats also do rock and roll, which I'll show you in just a minute. I'll just first of all show you the digital service history. So from 2017 onwards, most Volkswagen Group cars are all a digital service history. However, this one does come with the printout of that, so I can show you that. You can see there, it had its pre-delivery inspection on the 25th of May 2017 at 0 miles. Its first service on the 2nd of May 2019 at 8,890 miles. It's done on flexi service. It's done based on mileage rather than on age. It was then done on the 11th of June 2020 at 12,193 miles. On the 1st of June 2021 at 12,479 miles. You can see that was COVID, hardly any miles at all. And then it was done on the 23rd of May 2022 at 15,622 miles. Then on the 6th of June 2022, this was going back at 15,635 miles. And on the 9th of June 2023 at 16,209 miles. And then on the 4th of December 2023 at 31,426 miles. So it was only serviced in December, so not too long ago. But what we'll do is we'll put it through the Honda workshop for a full check over. It will also come with 6 months warranty as well, so that's great peace of mind with the vehicle that you get that 6 months warranty, so it gives you further peace of mind with the car. So I'll just quickly show you the boot and everything. So that's just the rear parking sensors. It does have your tyre inflation kit in here, which is easy enough to use. And then you've got some useful hooks and things like that. All very simply clever, as Skoda call it, features, including the grab handle here as well to shut the boot, which is really useful. Just show you the back seats. You've got 3 seats, they're all individual, so really handy that you can, for example, fold the middle one down, like so, with some cup holders in it. And you can have that as like a little middle one there. They all do fold down, but also another trick, they all do this. So they all rock forwards like so. And then they actually are removable, the seats. So I'll just show you, for example, this one. It'll tip forward. So if you're going to the tip, for example, something like that, you can have them forwards like that and you have a big square van shape. So that's really, really handy to have that, really useful feature. And you can actually remove them. You do have these little hooks as well, so these hooks come out of the backs of the seats. It'll hook onto the headrest like this, right there, and then that's secured then, so that won't fall down. So you can have them stored like that, or actually you can pull the red tabs and actually remove them all together, which is really useful if you don't want to have all your seats in. It's really great. And then that just goes back in tab there like so. Easy enough. And then you just lift up these to lift that back up. So really versatile that you can have them all flat, and then you can also recline them. You can have them more upright or more reclined, which is really great. All individual, great if you've got kids. And then you've got the middle seat, which is very comfortable as well. So a great car, adjustable lumbar support for both driver and passenger. Loads of optional extras, like I say. You've got the LED daytime running lights. It's the stunning petrol blue metallic. Loads of great features, and it's a 2017 one, which is the last year they made these. So really lovely car, great low mileage, great history. It's a really lovely vehicle. If you've got any questions about this Yeti, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be more than happy to help. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome. No matter the age, make, model, mileage, we'll have a look into whatever car you got and get you the best price we possibly can. If you've got any questions, call us on 01539 760 371 and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you very shortly.